You're a superhero.
Welcome back, guys. Joe from VandalsBikes. Today is Saturday. So we are Slow-Motion Saturday. This will be the third Slow-Motion Saturday in a row. It's completely raining, so it's really not nice out there. But you know, we'll deal with what we got, what we can get. We're not going to be hitting any parks today, so no parks. We're going to be sticking to street spots only, obviously due to me having slips. It's probably going to kill me if I know, which I don't need. So I hope you enjoy what we're going to get from street spots. Try and get some new spots that haven't been on any previous videos. Obviously, if you can give me a like, dislike rating below. Obviously, there's a comment box below there as well, so you can give me a comment on anything that you like or dislike, or you want me to change, any suggestions, parks, trips, anything like that. If you haven't subscribed already, then please, down below, subscribe, and continue to watch this video. I shall speak to you in a bit, guys. Peace. First off, we are going to Wilco Car Garage, just in Sainsbury's in Great Yarmouth. Need to sort my peg out on my back. For some reason on the back it's slipping on the frame. I gather it's because it's still got paint on the actual sides of the pegs and on the side of the frame. So I'm going to go there, try and scratch it off and reattach my peg, and hopefully that'll keep it on there. So we'll check back in with you when we're down there, alright? We're out. All fixed, guys. Finally. I had to use a grinding disc because they didn't really have anything else. So I was expecting them to have a file of some sort, but they didn't. So I used the grinding disc on the peg and on the frame. It seems to be sticking to it, yeah. That's good. Speak to you whenever we get to the next street spot. Peace.
Theory, you make me lose my memory. Just say I can't remember anyway, to ever make me feel this way, Time never analyze, make you mine again. One more shot, you won't mind, I'll take my time to love you once again. One more shot, give me one more shot.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show.
That's us down in Cobham. Got a few different spots, a few different street spots. Nice little gap back there. We're now going to move on to a different part of the back. Well, we're either going to go down into Gorleston or into Great Yarmouth into some bits. But as long as it isn't places that we haven't already been, I don't care. Stay tuned, guys. Give me a like, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Comment if you've seen anything you liked so far. Want to suggest anything, any places that I've missed. And I shall see you in a minute. Continue to watch this video. Peace. Exploring down in Gorleston, so here we go, let's get at it. Hope you enjoy, guys. Give us a like down below, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Continue to watch this video. Peace.
On the way that we could elevate a massacre the track with your skill, I never hesitate. I put a lot of time into the craft to make it resonate. I regulate with repetition, I could be the greatest, but ever me illogical, the other have elated. Practice all the patience that I got in my attendant mind. I minimize the ignorance, so in a minute I make it relatable, evade the negativity at all costs. Trying to find my way, I'm feeling so lost. Finally in the zone, I gotta focus, but that can be an issue. I'm addicted to the work, it's all I ever wanna do. Pursue the purpose that I'm pleading for and need more than pity. Many minuscule opinions picking up all the immaculate, happily apathetic and naturally authentic. The sentence is sentimental, like the words are just a piece of my soul. I transcend it to the artist that I wanna be. I demonstrate my dominance and derelict with dialect. My etiquette is excellence. I dedicate my all to this. I solemnly swear it. I serenade with selections of different cadences to kill it. Really invested in this, and anyone that wants the truth that we present to be identified. I live a meager life. I'm motivated by progression. Cause a year ago nobody paid attention to the getting. I'm persistent with the effort. Document my declaration. Dedicated to the devil. Me definitely concerned that I prefer to be a parent. I purchase all of the verses on their way to get it off of my chest. Oh Lord, if it's a problem, I solve it privately. Polish them off. I punish with powerful poems. Compose a noble creation. Case in point, I'm steadily proving and a lucid dream. I used to be infatuated, now it's just reality. I'm managing my temperament, my time to capitalize is infinite. The wisdom I'm attaining from trial and effort is priceless. I pride myself on putting the music before my sanity. Saying you will lullaby with alliteration and empathy. The lack of recognition is starting to fuel my energy. You know you made it when you receiving hate from an enemy. Your relevance was never an option. Here's a synopsis, said I'm knocking out whoever you considering the king. I kick him off the throne, I want it, I'ma take it as my property. And probably prepare to go to war with any challenge. I'm battling coliseums, people cheer for me to finish it. Reminiscing of the legends that left remarkable legacies. I said it, I'm ahead of my time. I am, you could never understand the headspace I'm in. I living and writing about it, giving a lyrical ballad, working to find out the balance, dealing with every challenge, but it's a struggle, meticulously adjusting my train of thought to be positive, transformed to a phoenix. And we just trying to give you something you remember. We the illest, nigga, don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give.
Welcome back, guys. Right, we are down in Gorleston town. We're gonna head up to one more spot that's just past B&D's Cycles, I believe, which is just down the main street of Gorleston. So we're going to go down there, get down the high street, get that spot done, head back to Great Yarmouth. If there's any spots on the way, then we'll be hitting them to add in. I hope you enjoy, guys. Give us a like dislike. Comment below if you need to suggest anything, if you want to say anything. Subscribe if you haven't, and continue to watch this footage. Peace.
And we just trying to give you something you remember, we the illest nigga, don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give you something you remember, we the illest nigga, don't ever forget it. Loud. And we just trying to give you something you remember, we the illest nigga, don't ever forget it. Knowledge.
Welcome back. All about them quick clips, guys. Move on to the next. Keep watching. Peace. Welcome back, guys. Right, we are at the last spot for Saturday's Slow-Motion Saturday. It's getting pretty damn done. We're getting down to the last spot. So the last spot is here. I'm going to try and get some stuff done on this. So I hope you enjoy that. Give us a like down below. Comment down below if you'd like to suggest anything. Subscribe if you haven't already, and continue to watch this footage. Peace, guys.
Get it right now when I come through. Got a lot of prawns, got a lot of pills too. Looking for the recipe, hoping for the better me. Should I listen to my ex-girl every time she said to me that life is just more than just chasing the bread? It brings me the secret, then give me some head. Lost that shit over the stupidest things, like the smallest of problems and thinking it brings. I'm laughing a lot, but ain't what it seems. Maybe it's just cause of all of the weed. Maybe cause people be playing too much. So honestly, they are just jokes to me. Look at me now, in need of a break. I'm trying to feel good, what does it take? No move for the pics, get the fuck out my face. On the road, man, I be all alone, man. I've been feeling low, man, so I'ma smoke a bowl, man. I be on the road, man, I be all alone, man. I've been feeling low, man, so I'ma smoke a bowl, man. I be on the road, man, I be all alone, man. You know, sometimes, you know, we just feel lost and confused. We just feel like we don't belong anywhere, and that shit can feel like forever. I be on the road.
Right, welcome back, guys. We are done. Slow-Mo Saturday is done. I hope you enjoyed all the clips from today.
You're a superhero.